Be taken if you have certain unknown medicines you're taking. The most common side effects are swelling of the arms and legs. We spoke up and made all the difference. Ask your Parkinson's specialist about this Placid.
Yeah, was that Donald Duck? I don't know.
S.C. Johnson.
Sound like more like Daffy choking on his own feathers.
Medicare and your state's Medicaid. Here's something important to know. Now you can get even more health benefits than you already have. It's the United Healthcare Dual Complete Plan. To find out if you're eligible, it's easy. Call now to talk with us. We can answer any questions you have.
Was that Daffy though?
Medicaid gives you benefits, and Medicare gives you some too.
Or was it
But
Don?
the United Healthcare Dual Complete Plan can add even more benefits and features compared to original Medicare. You could have lots of doctors and hospitals